Getting your EETV Box Pro up and running is straightforward when you follow the proper setup steps. We'll walk through the initial setup and account activation process. The first step is making the physical connections. You'll need to connect your EETV Box Pro to your television using an HDMI cable. For the best 4K performance, HDMI 2.1 is recommended. Next, you need to establish a network connection. For the most stable experience, connect an Ethernet cable directly to your router. If a wired connection isn't possible, you can set up Wi-Fi during the configuration process. Once your physical connections are complete, power on the device, and you'll need to link it to your EE account and TV package subscription. This is a crucial step that unlocks access to all your services. The EETV app on your mobile device makes the setup process seamless. You can use it for remote scheduling, content management, and even as a remote control. Download it from your app store before starting the setup. Proper account activation unlocks the full potential of your EETV Box Pro. You'll gain access to live TV channels, catch-up services like BBC iPlayer and ITV Hub, and streaming apps including Netflix and Prime Video. Now that your EETV Box Pro is activated, the next crucial step is configuring your network connection. You have two main options: Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable connection. For the most stable connection, especially if you're planning to stream 4K content, an Ethernet cable connection is recommended. However, Wi-Fi is perfectly suitable for most viewing needs. Internet speed is crucial for optimal performance. For standard HD content, you need at least 10 megabits per second. However, for 4K Ultra HD content, a minimum of 25 megabits per second is recommended. Once your network is configured, the next step is to perform a channel scan. This automatically tunes into available Freeview channels and discovers other services available in your area. The scanning process is automatic and typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. Your EETV Box Pro will search for all available digital channels and add them to your channel list. Now it's time to personalize your EETV Box Pro experience. The redesigned user interface launched in late 2024 offers improved accessibility features and easier navigation. Setting up parental controls is essential for families with children. You can restrict access to certain channels, set viewing time limits, and control content ratings. For optimal streaming performance, consider configuring quality of service settings on your router. This prioritizes EETV traffic and ensures smooth playback even when other devices are using the internet. Finally, consider setting up a guest network to isolate your EETV Box Pro traffic. This provides better security and can improve performance by reducing network congestion. Your EETV Box Pro is now fully configured and personalized. You have optimized network settings, set up user profiles, configured parental controls, and implemented performance optimizations for the best viewing experience.